Welcome back to the hustler that cooks. This is my kitchen, and then for the first time, I have a guest that he took my apron, the Acolly Mandiza. So I'm not gonna say much. About the introducer,
Dzina langa ndi Acolly Mandiza. Ndi muimbi wa afro pop na R&B. Mara zwote ndi yaimbekanya zvisikotangana. Zvikhoya ngori ndikufilisa between muimbi umpayoni. So namusi ndo invite uri ndi there ube ukubikiwa fish na khove imwe ine ndikhulwane nga manda. So today we're not in studio, we are in the kitchen. We cooking. We are always cooking. Even this style of cooking that we always do. But today, for the first time, as he already said, we'll be cooking the fish.
Yeah. Yeah, so.
Yes, you're in that. Yeah, check.
Yes, sir. Not more than if you need another country. And then you can check another
this one.
Yeah, even that one you can use.
This one, really, I want to.
Yeah. So we're big up and we're about to cook some fish. I'm the hustler that cooks. So I call you last Saturday you were performing in that. What guy venda yeah. But before you start, what really happened? You don't perform late.
Man, what happened is that I was not there for that performance.
Yeah.
That's why no one worried. For the first time on stage in Wambarasutu, which is something that I don't usually do. Maybe for the Wambara Mate, Kina Mabokati, Nicha staging, now skip a certain poor problem.
Yeah.
But then that day, no, but I have a Nandiko there as well. Then I realized
yeah.
And sometimes it's doing I can use this paper.
Get an opportunity to.
It's an opportunity for me. It's an opportunity. I don't limit the Bible around. Just work with us shows away. One kumbure now because they've seen me somewhere. As one I'm to the venda go now. Yaimba. Doctor Wasumbezo, I do it this way. So try to already perform a sequel. Going to Vandis ready. And how go shoot a CD.
Oh, that was USB.
As it was at USB and stuff like that. So check out perform late. You already got from Manda na CD.
The CD has already so crazy.
Or history you interesting. Don't remember Jitanga. No, we won't renga CD younger vela.
Yeah.
Yamu Jila CD. Yeah, Jiwila CD. So yele CD GY. Oh, GY also says so register and we are about to perform. When we are about to perform, we have to open that disc. Ronore, this is the Jesus Christ. You learn such one thing. Asia Acolly Mandiza. So it's another problem. We go to it a plan. So Richard we plan. We went to the shop for a DVD.
Yeah.
Renga CD. DVD writers to this. So after doing everything like that, Raya again we want to record no itaka DVD. This thing is not gonna work. As you can see, don't be performing all of Chini DJ. So I have to do it again. Because you a plan in one CD, you know.
And it's late.
It's late. Like just being officially go better than 8. It's already 8:30. Yeah, 7:30. So I realized the rush to one strong as then this other guy at the Namunguro, no, man, we reapa David Kutzing a month.
Oh, DJ David
Kutzing a month. So, as soon as I pay us, you know, this Rabona David is this late. They are calling with Jennifer, somebody to and I had David. So, David is going to tell us Nori, like it was fine. Nandere communicate na David. It was for the first time that you move on. This was but for the first time we had a chat. It was nice. We wouldn't be here for a bit. No, really, like the situation. Yeah, in one night. So I had to know everyone in one night.
Yo,
I met everyone in one night.
Yeah, hey.
But when they are in the music industry, I met them in one night.
Oh, so Yeah, you got on stage, Maranga, the one nervous. I don't know, because what I expect I can go to perform. What do you not regular? Shambhala.
Shamu kana muranga. Yeah, that's what I wanted to perform. That's what I wanted to perform, but because I was failing worry. The one is that right or ndichicheka phone yanga na nemune wazondilidza online. Ati kuchimulando wala nyimbo.
Which is the new trend yanongobuka.
Which is the new trend because ndichichena going every time ndikuplaka zvosoko dzasokowelana. But you want to whenever jinsa music online, you have to erase most of them. So,
hey, what? I don't want to eat. Hey, nyare want to reach.
Entry is good as cooking Amanda.
Yeah,
good for the fish that we cook.
Yeah, the fish that we are about to, yeah. Yeah, mama, do you green paper can come with this?
We record the
yeah, hey.
This is gonna be great, yo.
Hey, and then so you're just staging, and I like the way the moment you walked on stage into Jennifer, and of course the night you told me, oh
no, that was the first time the show was to Zorala was done when I go climb the stage. Like it's as close to as venda. There's some kind of vibe. Those girls, they know, they can talk to you. So then, as I was never read, they will don't need to talk that Facebook. No, the moment they just want to this guy, they've got to eat on stage in Komori. There's on this stage in Indigo Dumbro, right? This is Mama to perform. Then you go to Mara that thing, Zonquatisa. Like, I was a bit nervous. And then I was a bit nervous, and because of Fungari, those people they are not going to react to my music. And the first appearance in the Chapiara before my music, the moon and the Jennifer, and I had the own special things on it, but the moon and no attention.
Yeah, because the moment that tomorrow the introducer, and then 2 minutes and hey, so they are busy, you know.
Hey. So the questions the 2 minutes abuzisa nazone. Zokonopa to background. Na watu wanaona bumbuloro. Okay. So if I'm one of our legend A-Reece Mandiza, we are expecting to hear something different.
Something dope.
Yeah, something dope. So other watu wasendela tini ndiso ngori kawasendela. Hey.
So on the okay, let's move fast forward nyana. Revena inakezo. Recently, you've been working as the artists that are different. I don't know. I saw a busy studio number Tora about a week ago. What do you expect or maybe more record as well?
Yeah, recently, like in 2 weeks' time, I was in studio with Mazware.
Yeah, Mazware. I was gonna call you there today. No one again. There's a track in it. Russian record on my YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, reading now record on Mazware. This nice track. And then now look over na matorna in the studio. I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna have to go because we were supposed to meet up on but
so yes, like there's some good music that we are waiting on with some artists. The good thing about it now, in those last time, no, like I know that's why we know there is a new features. Yeah. Because I wanted to work with them, but they were not into me. So I decided, no, let me do my own thing. If they want to work, I will accept them and stuff like that.
Which worked for you? We're not going to build a brand.
Yeah, and I will, like, what I'm proud of, but I don't have anyone. I don't have a team and everything. We go to push and them. So I want to know because na drag and takura and that's on feature. Na drag is very rich.
Yeah, who should have tea? I'm not going to Pangarello.
I'm there.
That was a mangala, eh? Chilisi hapa iko Richard Tuzine.
So we're trying because I'm on space sorry call it biggest one. Khove iyabikiwa na vanhu yo sokopatukana rambo liyangi khove tanobvisa rambo nikula yoimba. So this is what we're going to be teaching you besides music. So you must know how to cook fish and you must know Acolly.
So okay, certain people must know Acolly. So in which genre in the music was it because your influence was Ngamkara, or you just decided, you know what, I got the calling, I can do this?
Look, this was never to our spaces in Zori. I was into music and my father was not into it. You see? And why was China Fulubero Zori? Music we something with it.
You can do something.
Because whenever Tangana Natavanga music,
Yeah.
Wawarateza, Muzona Bootem Banga Manda, Wawa later down music. So he was not believing Ori. He can be in the industry, but Wawa recorder. So that's difficult because then it takes time, it takes its own time. That's all. Let's get to it. Like if I'm on a moon or no, man. Okay, fine, come, let's do this. So that's the moon. Instead of Ronaldo, you could have got the Tomarati moon, then when we come back, I must be the one. I want to learn this thing. That's how you're gonna come around and so no, the Faranga India. So it was difficult. So influence here you on because now I know my father is a musician. He can do something for me.
Yeah.
And you believe him because he makes some good music. He can help me build
Something dope music.
Some dope music also. So it was difficult because he was not into it.
Yeah, man.
Until the moment he decided or no.
What was one of the teacher?
It's some green paper,
Green, red,
and
yellow. First robot.
Robot, yeah. I wanted to come on that. It was my first time because if I could ring with it, I don't robot on the river.
Robot
or something else. Marandichi says that standard chamtono ko ringisa robot on the it can't be that robot. No, let me wait. You want to give a robot to
Okay, so which means in no one passion your music, not really because just of the influence.
Yeah.
It's just sorry. It's something so in your blood.
Yeah.
And then
but the interesting thing is when the children comes in. Like radio because
holy shit.
Yeah, he was just hearing Acolly Mandiza on the radio. Because no, it's like time my and the time I'm going to go store this you don't get it
no, you gotta stop this thing.
Yeah.
I'm not know the zone.
So I decided, okay, fine, let me do my thing. Nani make a time, and I know. Let me do my thing. Throw a surprise out. It's fine. So I did everything, man. I did everything I could, you know better.
Yeah.
Because Nani would communicate, and then I'm doing something like this and this. Can we do this and this? And like, no. Nate, I'll be calling my father, and my father will be doing his own thing. I don't know, it's just going to be there.
Let me do it my own way.
Let me do it my own way. So I'm okay, the guy now is on radio.
Yeah.
The guy now is doing interview. Where? Okay, now, just like everyone. Everyone did that. There's no need for like got an award, Limpopo Music Award. They're all coming back, or man. Like how did you come across it now as the award and how come your music is playing everywhere?
Go
on. So every radio was interested in me.
Hey, wouldn't matter. Some of these guys were like,
yeah, they were like, no, like if I want to
this is the top class super mix spice, man. Then it Dora romantic. Dora romantic.
And there aren't going to want to go like yellow and red.
I went to the Buddha and mix this thing. I think Brother Sharp was gonna mix it as well.
So that's what happened. So around he was very supportive when he comes back.
Yeah,
so very supportive and was asking how is it going. You see? And then he started talking about music. He started talking about buying guitars that okay.
The old man is here.
The old man is here now. Okay, he bought a guitar. Oh, he's back in the game now. He's interested. He's interested. So until did you decide or no? Because now don't know one time and out he's willing to record the music that he was doing back then. Let's buy our own studio.
Yeah.
Carry a studio ayana.
Which will work for us.
What people don't know is that all the way in the Chambore, my name is Acolly, all the way from Immediate Entertainment. There was no that studio. I was just talking about it.
You were manifesting.
Yeah, I was just manifesting all the way from Immediate Entertainment. Because I was always saying it, I guess that's why I ended up building that studio. And the cheetah and training, you can feel the vibe. You're okay. This is a studio.
Yeah. Studio.
Like I remember Dichiwana Matora Urechishika. And he was like, okay, we don't have a beat, we don't have anything, I don't know.
We'll do this thing.
Well, let's start it from the scratch. Let's record instrument by instrument.
Put it together.
Let's we'll put them together, we'll see what we're becoming. Then we started recording live. Music. Like live is because we requested beat from Bafanas, and even though we wanted to pay them, the abango vana chipinga chori sendera beating chipinga china mzindina mazwara. Then I realized that okay, fine, let me give them some time and stuff. So
Mozambican garlic and what? Hey, you put things here.
Put things, man.
Lemon.
This is gonna be nice.
Yeah, we cook these things.
I can tell. It's gonna be nice.
I think now we need the fish. So what's the way forward? Not drop a music video. I saw it recently.
Yeah, I dropped a music video. Recently, I was this is already in the interview in the Nepa. I want to never perform or no man. So all the music video on the sponsor.
Oh yeah. I saw the name.
Yeah, I'm not sponsor you so during the interview and do mafura. Yeah, the coming after the interview WhatsApp your man. What do you want me to do for you?
Yeah?
That was a nice question. That was my first time someone asking me that because I know I do things for my.
Hey, Acolly, you can try this thing. Hey.
You are a cameraman. You must focus on yourself.
Okay. I don't want to be bored though.
So, do we also call this one green salad?
I just call it my mixed veg because I call it my mixed veg. No, I know it's very nice, eh? The one is too much. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna Babiera music in and ever since
you know what happened?
I
was not expecting we can record an album anytime soon.
Wow.
What we did, I was in the studio. And I said to my brother, man, take the car. Go and take time. And never was ever then I got He just, when the guy arrived, the moment we just got studio, we were recording. I didn't ask anything, not cover plan.
Now
You see? So the timer, record. And because I'm trying to record. When I went to the so you know,
I know, I have that. I know that.
I tasted the Muri. Okay, let's go to the studio this other day. I just went there and pick him up or we are at the studio. So, time mandatory no. Let's go to come no ring a studio, cover the record. He didn't ask anything. He came to the studio with the guitar and then I had the loop put his lazito or ricatare to straight. Then we started in Zoisha. Then we were recording. Recording the track.
Okay, so we're creating the space record this hela mo khobe la.
So each and every fish will be living this kind of way.
No. Senior wanori mostly when people cook khobe, right as lazori by vare so. So rena re go vara e khobe ngayo nile. Hela le re vara nga him.
That's a special thing.
Come on.
That's a special thing.
So
They are big.
yeah, we need to cook.
So today I'm cooking. I'm very happy that I'm cooking. I love cooking. My brother knows that I can cook. This other day I cooked voros in a different way. I know most of the people think voros is the easiest thing to cook.
But hey.
No. I just got in the kitchen, I cooked pap, and I made meal for the family. For the first time, making people like sit down, all of you sit down. I want to cook. You see? So today it's another thing. It's for fish.
So on these days when I go home, when I'm home, they always want me to cook something. Always I have to cook something for the family. That's how it is. They don't care. They just want me to make sure. They just need to make sure no see no pick something nyana for family.
They've tasted your food, so.
Funny enough is that I watched my mom cook a lot. Back in the days, I used to do that and just so she actually cooks like this. Seasoning. So we're seasoning the fish.
This is gonna be nice. I can't wait to taste the fish, man. I really can't wait to taste.
So when are you dropping another album?
Like, every 27th of May, I must drop something.
Whether it's an EP,
Whether it's an EP or it's a single, but it's also combining. So this year, I've got songs that I haven't dropped them yet. But I'm still thinking, can I drop an album this year or I can just let it go like that?
but
I'm still thinking.
maybe drop a single or 2 tracks.
Yeah, like I don't want to drop an album, but I want to drop something. I want to drop some songs. You see? So last year I dropped Kokonya and after 6 months, I dropped another 7 songs. New songs. You see?
So now we're taking this fish. We're gonna lay it on top of that one. I'm not talking about laying as like getting laid like shit. I could be as well with the Antahila. Yeah,
Muvango, yeah. Let's call it Muvango.
Tanganyero. Ah, shit, that other cheese fell. That's not an issue. So yeah, this is how we're doing it.
It's fishy. You can take it closer. People want to see, they want to do it at home.
Yeah. So the fish is very long, so I have to break the tail. It's very sharp. Wow. No. Contain. Okay. So now we're gonna foil it. I don't know if you come back and right now. Big up.
So ridote zibopekanya nga bambiri nga plastic. You have to cover it.
Cover it pan. But you pomba cover that foil. So now like it's too much oil. So I'm not gonna learn to raw fish. So that's one of the enough. The pan is another bigger cover and I mean. So I find it for the into like Chayora.
So that's no.
Yeah.
Do that there.
Easy. Yeah, we just do it. I know panda. I don't know what tofu. Okay. Is free. Okay. So up to you, Ringo, we got like eating a fan. But mostly I use about 230. Liquid already.
We covered it.
Yeah. So yeah.
Ready soon.
In the fish here, should 2 fishes.
So for almost how many minutes now? Putting it.
I can put it 20-30 minutes.
Okay.
Come on. So yeah. Until then, when we come back, Acolly, and then we're gonna be doing this cheesy thing, eh?
Maybe you're gonna have to eat with us, or we don't know. But
Yeah.
let's wait for 30, 20.
Yeah, there.
Then
To 45 minutes, then yeah, we're good to go. So let's, yeah. Until then, let's go to the break. Not cool, yeah. Go bigger fish. Yeah, welcome back, eh? I guess I commercial radios, you know. So, refude. Tuma refers on to deep as your guy. So, what you miss a honey with the phone would do this. I was in farms. As an alcoholic.
what's now doing?
Still have Acolly Mandiza.
In the building. In the building.
At the hustler's kitchen. I love that cook.
I think I got Timbo. I don't know what lag is for food. Why think I got Timbo? You'll be fine. You don't want to name six number to wrong. Little pay. Little pay. I'll leave this all. Namzer.
Yeah.
What is your name?
What to check? What will do? You got chimney, honey.
Don't take it on that.
They want to no problem. But anyway, we made something. Just that the viewers outside is they're not gonna taste this, but
Before we go, you're not guest. I should other with the to 20 minutes. I don't test
this You can tell. You can tell this is something. Yeah. I know. I didn't get a friend. I'm looking nice. Something special. Something special.
Yeah. So I call
you Mara here na msi. It's gonna be very different.
I suppose calling when I went.
Asikhowe zosokobhike kanyiwa. Ndona wana rambo liyange nama yange. Ngoro toda nichila khove yawo.
Ibero wazona.
Dasvino yekhove. Yopelela. Ngoro nangori ngotoda ila side iyo. Yopelela na rambo ri kodilivona ringa ndiro livisa randivechera asara una mapetsi. Ndona kubhikele kwa khove. Khove to dauronwane.
Yeah. Bre, zvakuti kuti vachibika khoka romuredia zvokuti vakwayani. Vata madhiya vaita zvova pedzisera naturally tinga madhiti. Yesu vachibva chitofuni mbaro vaya geteni. Vasika vakia get. Vavuya vase vemulironi. Vavahungurura ngwa.
Yeah.
Vavakudisa muliro vamwana bhokisi lava mulori. Nangwe varivona ariho. Royal Dara.
Imse robika khove yapo.
Ndibuseta ona khoyo. It's not your
inoni rina reason ita tseda mara ari kuto rina tseda ikura mo reason yone ita tseda rosina khove ya hona
Oleme. Dokafura kuti warongo.
yo crack
Yeah, yo crack. Aringorita ne. Apeni khove mbili ya.
Lord Jesus Christ, are you there?
Ngasipere chituti. Abari rwane. Ara vadona mu Mozambique.
No, man.
Bade wana zvorariwo. Kuzibabarasi. Wofatwa ndumbuka rutanga manda vatu vanofunesa mariba. Kwani wo mtoto.
I won't mind drinking this mutoto. I won't mind drinking this mutoto.
Hey.
I know.
Yeah. So, Jambari, any blessing to the new single?
The new singles or the album. Yeah, we must drop something.
So, I call it what you know that Buka and all this stuff. I don't know Jina is
So if vhathu vha tshi khou ṱoḓa u ḓiwana vha khou mvumvusiwa nga Acolly Mandiza, vha nkwama kha nomboro yanga ine ya vha 079 053 9194. Ndi nomboro ine ya vha ya dovha ya vha na WhatsApp. Vha nkhola hone vha dovha vha WhatsAppelana kana vha mfonela kha 068 175 4335. Yeah, 068 175 4335. Nayo ina WhatsApp na ya dovha ya vha futhi na call. Ri nga ndani hezo. Ndina Facebook page yanga. Facebook page ndi Acolly Mandiza. Acolly one wanga ndira ya ACOLLY cause ne ṱoḓa na sangwane ni khou balelwa nga tsitari nga.
Hey, I don't want to sing and be.
You see, so it's one C, it's ACOLLY. That's Acolly. Bari kha Acolly awana kha Twitter matsina bo nwala Acolly sione. So kha Twitter ndi Acolly Mandiza. Instagram Acolly_Mandiza. YouTube Acolly Mandiza. Auna zwine zwoto mangadza ndi Acolly Mandiza, Acolly Mandiza, Acolly Mandiza. Vha to kona to nwala dzina langa fhedzi. Vha ya nwala.
Vhathu vha dzina tshikhuwa. Madzina ne vhathu vha tshikwamba vha khou
Very different. And vhathu vhanzhi vho no mbudza uri dzina langa ḽi ampfanela. Thank you. Thank you. Vhamwe vha mfunela dzina langa, vhamwe vha mfunela uri ndi a imba, vhamwe vha mfunela uri vha ndo naka. Ndo to mozimba jawelo.
bika ni tshikolana.
Vhamwe vari vha mfunela u bika. Come on.
So I'm vhudza zwavhuḓi ngori ndo zwi vhona ḓa ngo perform nga mugivhelo uri hey. Vhome visi vha takale zwi vha tshini vhona ni stage.
Yeah, ladies love.
You know, how do you handle that thing?
Man, as a man, I can't say I can handle that. It's very different situation to handle. Yes, it's just nena ngatori ngiyakhona handle uri vafumakadzi vasongonifuna.
You have to deal with it.
Kamori, samjita si as a normal guy. It's normal for mjita. Namfani kufuna as ladies. It's very normal and you don't got any men anymore. It was born. So, I do handle those kind of situations. It's most important to ignore about. I do talk to people, I do communicate with people, but I do not picture space to never to story name. Banga brief, banga konundanga.
Cash.
Abakonundanga, divine chipinga changa with everything. I choose who I want to be with, and then I see to do to ring.
How about that's the veggie don't do anything on go?
I'll do as a taker. You see, when Beyonce sing "If I Were a Boy," she was talking about exactly the same thing.
Acolly ona tichamara.
Yeah, so you can see the fish is very beautiful. No deep I could deep. I wouldn't carry your big out. Don't lie, Kobe. I'm not lying. I tasted it, you saw that, and I was enjoying it. So look at it.
I don't know what they do.
Kobe ichipikwa watu aisukutapanyidziwa. You make sure. You know, you make sure uri yeah, Kobe itwangorari. We kill this thing, we cook this thing. Yeah. Opensera Acolly rikorovara parikuyola zvino.
Chithu chene ndangamba chone ndikopesera roto kusedzesa muzikani wanga nisongopfani chokombuka. As you saw my last performances, my recent performances, I was performing in Chawero. So nisongopfonga ri ndi venda and then ndingasikona usvika show yaviwe. Ukeni umwe na umwe na kupfori vewe ndingotodo rine ndisvika hone ndidova ndihone kana ndi mazizi kana ndi niyani. Kana ndiani nge ya mudimeri vhathu va mudimeri vonombona sa vunji ha mudimeri so ahuna fhethu hune atiswiki Vleyfontein Elim guy Mbukeni ndi 0790539194 ina WhatsApp kana arali wewe ni too professional kupfesa zori ningotodzera nkwama nga email ndi acollymandiza@gmail.com. Komori auna so different, it's acollymandiza. Ndina yena to diva dzina langa nisokotumanyisa. Email.
What the fair and the nights that do got so many more and one who I'm the hustler that cooks. And right now we are about to eat my guest Nani Naya from the Acolly
I'm the singer that cooks.
Mandiza. And I'm out of here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Now you know.
Danduna.